Sounding the alarm. A Kansas county declaring an emergency following staffing and supply shortages at its hospital.
KSN's Alexis Padilla explains in our top story tonight. Alexis.
Jeff, Emily, this is the worst ventilator shortage Newman Regional Health has seen. The number of patients has steadily been rising for 2 weeks, pushing ventilator supplies to the brink, forcing the Lyon County Commission to step in and help.
The hospital had used all the ventilators that they had, and they were in need of some more.
The shortage at Newman Regional Health pushing the Lyon County Commission to declare an emergency.
We were able to work with the county and the state and get the state of emergency declared, which allowed us to access those 2 vents that they sent us.
One of the ventilators already in use. Dr. Alana Longwell says if the shortage does not improve, they might be forced to use battlefield medicine,
where we have to make snap decisions about who has the best likelihood of survival and potentially not provide those highest levels of support for patients who have lower levels of survival. That's not what any of us went into medicine to do.
For Hutchinson Regional Medical Center, the concern isn't ventilators, but other respiratory machines.
Mid-level breathing apparatus, so the airbows, the BiPAPs, those are the externals that have a mask or a tube that goes up your nose that help you breathe with a little bit of positive pressure. Those we are getting close to running out of.
Both hospitals unsure when the shortage will improve.
We're not in a place to be hopeful yet. We're not in a place to let our guard down yet.
We are preparing for the worst and praying for the best.
Dr. Longwell says the ventilators aren't just needed for COVID patients. The shortage can impact newborn babies as well. Here for you, Alexis Padilla, KSN News 3.
And we checked with Wichita hospitals concerning the availability of ventilators. Ascension Via Christi spokesperson says they have a large pool of the machines to be used among all of their hospitals. We did not hear about Wesley Medical System's status when it comes to ventilators.